We've been talking about China's EV push in a big way every single day on the show, and we're getting a peek into the future at Beijing's Auto Show. Lynn, of course, joins us with the full story. It's exciting to see that play out, Lynn.
Yes, and it's an increasingly crowded field we're seeing in terms of the EV market, and increasingly flashy in terms of the tech gadgets that are on display and what is to come when it comes to tech and AI. And we're really seeing that with a number of the announcements that came out yesterday.
Innovation, collaboration, and competition. We have some amazing news just this May. NIO has finally unveiled its latest marvel, the 2024 ET7 sedan. Packed with cutting-edge features and innovations, the ET7 promises to revolutionize the electric vehicle market. With a starting price of $59,400 and pre-orders already available, NIO is setting the bar high. How does this groundbreaking model stack up against its predecessors and competitors?
We're turning to the car industry now because the US and Europe have been going after China recently for unfairly propping up its electric car industry. In fact, the European Commission's anti-subsidy investigation is wrapping up in the coming weeks, and some sort of response is expected from Brussels. But with annual sales of electric vehicles already above 30% of all cars in China, the mood there remains optimistic, as our correspondent Stephen MacDonald saw at the Beijing Auto Show.
Until recently, the idea that electric vehicles would make up a significant portion of all cars on our streets was something for the future. Then China came along and thrust the future upon us now.
China seems to be the epicenter of the electric car revolution, with annual sales of electric vehicles already surpassing 30% of all cars sold in the country. This rapid growth has been fueled by government subsidies, prompting concerns from the US and Europe about unfair competition. While some argue that subsidies were necessary to kickstart the EV market and build necessary infrastructure like charging stations, others worry about the advantage Chinese brands have gained in international markets due to lower prices. Despite these concerns, the mood at the Beijing Auto Show remains optimistic, with electric cars becoming increasingly popular among Chinese consumers. With advanced technology and impressive features, such as fast charging stations boasting 500 kilometers of driving range in just 12 minutes, China's electric vehicle industry is showcasing its potential. However, the competition is fierce, and many Chinese companies must rely on export revenue to sustain their growth. Speaking of competition, did you know China recently held a major auto show in Beijing that attracted global attention? At this event, global automakers like Volkswagen and Toyota were keen to catch up with China's booming electric vehicle market dominance. The show signaled a shift in attitude among foreign automakers, with many now seeking partnerships with Chinese companies to stay competitive. Despite foreign brands historically dominating China's auto business, their collective market share has declined in recent years, reflecting the rise of Chinese brands. German automakers, in particular, are doubling down on efforts to localize production and appeal to Chinese consumers through innovative marketing strategies. However, some foreign auto executives express pessimism about their ability to compete with China's EV makers, citing challenges such as shorter vehicle development times. This dynamic landscape underscores the fierce competition and evolving dynamics in the global auto industry.
There was a historic breakthrough in China this April. In the first half of April, sales of traditional internal combustion engine cars fell below 50% in all new car sales. In other words, new energy vehicle sales exceeded 50%. This is a breakthrough.
Cooperation, strategic, charging. NIO has made a significant move by joining hands with Wuhan Lotus Technology Company, a subsidiary of UK-based Lotus, which is owned by Geely. This strategic collaboration, announced at Auto China 2024, focuses on charging and swapping technologies. Both companies plan to dive deep into various aspects such as battery standards, charging and swapping technologies, and vehicle R&D. This partnership underscores NIO's commitment to cooperation in the electric vehicle sector, demonstrating its innovative approach. William Li, NIO's founder, chairman, and CEO, emphasized the importance of collaboration, stating that it's always the best option. Similarly, Qing Fengfeng, CEO of Group Lotus, expressed enthusiasm about the cooperation, highlighting the benefits it will bring to users. As of April 25th, NIO had already installed 2,404 power swap stations across China, with a significant portion located along expressways. These stations form a robust network, making recharging experiences easier than refueling. NIO also unveiled its latest model, the NIO 2024 ET7, at the Beijing Automotive exhibition, showcasing its advancements in the upscale smart car segment. William Liebend highlighted the car's enhanced features, including more powerful smart driving capabilities, an upgraded digital cockpit, extended driving range, and improved passenger comfort. The new ET7 has a starting price of 428,000 yuan or $59,400, and pre-orders are now being accepted. Deliveries are scheduled to begin on April 30th in China. Li revealed that shipments of the original ET7, launched in late March 2022, have already reached nearly 30,000 units, making it the top-selling all-electric car in China, priced above 400,000 yuan. Despite the competitive market and falling demand, NIO has maintained its pricing strategy, with all its cars priced above 300,000 yuan remaining unchanged. Li emphasized the impressive driving range of the new ET7, claiming it to be the world's first fully electric executive car to travel over 1,000 kilometers on a single test drive, thanks to its 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack. NIO has collaborated with partners like Chang'an Automobile JAC Group and Chery to address range anxiety among EV drivers to promote battery swapping technologies and standards. The company's extensive nationwide charging network comprises over 2,400 power swap stations and 21,000 charging stands, ensuring convenience for ET7 users. During the exhibition, NIO unveiled its fourth iteration of power swap stations and liquid-cooled ultra-fast chargers, showcasing its commitment to innovation and infrastructure development in the EV sector. But before we move on, we just want to thank you for watching this far. Surge, expansion, and competition. NIO stock has experienced a significant surge, shooting up by 20% following a remarkable increase in vehicle deliveries in April. This surge propelled Hong Kong-listed shares of the company by as much as 23%, hitting a 6-week high at 44.20 Hong Kong dollars. This positive momentum also contributed to a 2% jump in the broader Hang Seng Index during midday trading. In April, NIO reported delivering 15,620 vehicles, marking a staggering 134.6% year-on-year increase. These deliveries comprised 8,817 premium smart electric SUVs and 6,803 premium smart electric sedans. So far this year, NIO has delivered a total of 45,673 vehicles, up 21.2% compared to last year. Aside from focusing on vehicle deliveries, NIO has been expanding its battery swap partnerships to enhance its infrastructure for electric vehicles. This strategic move aims to alleviate consumers' concerns about driving range anxiety. Other Chinese EV manufacturers like Li Auto, Xpeng, and BYD also reported their April deliveries with varying degrees of performance. Despite the robust competition, NIO remains steadfast in its strategy, maintaining its prices amidst a price war in the Chinese EV market, notably with Tesla. Major players in the EV industry are slashing prices in a bid to outperform each other and attract consumers with competitive pricing and advanced technology. Recent entrants like Xiaomi have intensified the competition by launching electric vehicles priced lower than Tesla's models. However, NIO's resilience is evident as it continues to deliver strong results and maintain its market position. So, if we look at NIO's presence at the Beijing Auto Show 2024, the key takeaways include their unveiling of the new NIO 2024 ET7 sedan, showcasing advanced features and innovations. With NIO's strategic partnerships and expansion of charging infrastructure, they're positioning themselves as a leading player in the EV market. Looking ahead, the future outlook for NIO seems promising, especially with the increasing demand for electric vehicles globally. As they continue to innovate and collaborate, NIO is poised to capitalize on this growing market and maintain its competitive edge. In the broader EV industry, NIO's role in shaping the future of mobility and sustainability is significant. Their commitment to technological advancements, coupled with their efforts to address environmental concerns through electric mobility, underscores their impact on the industry's trajectory. So, how do you see NIO's influence shaping the future of electric mobility? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And that's it. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know about NIO, just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.